everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. This morning we are learning how to sign Blessed Be Your Name by Matt Redman. I love this song. This is a song that probably first came out a couple decades ago, but what it teaches, what it reminds us to do is still present today, guys, that we need to bless the name of the Lord when everything is plentiful and we're happy and all as it should be. And then we need to choose to bless the name of the Lord when everything is rotten and we hurt and it just seems broken and hopeless. So come along with me. Let's learn how to sign Blessed Be Your Name by Matt Redman. Okay, we're going to learn it. Before I get started, remember that I am left-handed. That means if you're right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there is a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we're going to learn it in 3 parts. So today I'm going to teach you how to sign the chorus and the bridge. Tomorrow I will teach you all the verse sections. Then on the next day we will walk through the whole thing. And day 4 we will sign with the music. Okay, so we're going to start with the chorus. So the first verse we're going to learn tomorrow. The chorus is every blessing. Every blessing. So every, and you're going to take your thumb and rub it against your fingers of your non-dominant hand. And then this is blessing. Okay, so it's coming out from your mouth and you're kind of wiggling those fingers out. Every blessing, you pointing to God in heaven, and then give. We've got these G's coming down to heaven towards us. Okay, so every blessing you pour out, I'll turn back to praise. I, pointing to yourself, and then we're going to change something. So we have our X hands. We're going to just rotate our hands. We're going to change it to praise. Okay? Change it to praise. And we want to praise up towards heaven. When the darkness closes in. So when you're going to take your dominant index finger, go around your non-dominant and touch it. When the darkness, so you can just say when it's dark, or you can do when the dark surrounds me. You can do that too, like it's just around. When the darkness closes in, Lord, I, and then will. Okay, it's kind of in the future. You can drop will though. Then say, tap your chin twice. Say. Okay, and then it's blessed be the name of the Lord. Remember, name is those H's, kind of making an X. Blessed be the name of the Lord, and L. Blessed be your name, right? Because it belongs to God. It's his name. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your glorious. Okay, so you're going to start here touching your middle finger and you kind of sparkle those fingers out. Glorious name. Now I got to tell you something. I don't know where along the way I got it into my head that I think it's bless your holy name. So stay tuned. When we sign with the music, I will probably make that mistake. So just get really into it. For some reason, I think it's bless your holy name, but it's bless your glorious name, okay? Glorious name. Okay, from the top, the chorus. Every blessing you pour out, I will turn back to praise. When the darkness closes in, I will say, blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your name. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your glorious name. Okay, then it goes into another chorus. And then the bridge, you give and take away. So pointing to God, you give, those G's coming down from heaven to us. You give and then take away. So take away is a directional sign, and we're going to show God almost grabbing something and bringing it up to heaven. Okay? Take away. So you give and take away. You give and take away my heart, okay, will choose to say, so choose. Okay, find is picking something up and choosing is kind of pulling from the air. And I think this is a really important thing, right? When things aren't going well, it is such a hard choice, but we need to choose. Okay, choose to say, tapping your chin, Lord, blessed be your name. Okay, so the bridge from the top, you give and take away, you give and take away. My heart will choose to say, Lord, blessed be your name. And that's everything you need for the chorus and the bridge. So tomorrow we will learn both the verses and then we'll walk through and then we'll sign with the music. I hope wherever you are that you are healthy and that you are well and that I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Romans 6:13 says, give yourself completely to God, for you were dead, but now you have new life. So use your whole body, including your hands, as an instrument to do what is right for the glory of God.